Imagine you're being persecuted in your home country. You come to the United States, you ask for asylum, and you have been told that you can have a work permit to make a living after 180 days. And then all of a sudden, imagine that they tell you, no, 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 we're pulling the rug from under you. We are not going to give you a work permit because of our fault, because we are too late in adjudicating cases. This is a new proposal. This is what the proposal is saying in plain English. DHS wants a new rule that would stop accepting new first-time asylum work permit applications whenever USCIS is taking too long to decide affirmative asylum cases. Yes, folks, if they're late, they want to stop issuing work permits. Doesn't make sense. You need to make a mistake. You should have a work permit to make a living and be able to live in this country and be productive. But no, if they have made a mistake, if they're delaying cases, you don't get a work permit. The trigger is a simple number. If for 90 straight days in a row, the average time USCIS takes to decide asylum cases is more than 180 days, then USCIS would pause taking new CH work permit applications. Once the pause happens, USCIS would start accepting new initial C8 work permit applications again when for 90 days in a row, the average asylum decision drops below 180 days. This is designed to be automatic, not a judgment call. USCIS director would be required to pause and restart based solely on the processing times and nothing else. At the moment, USCIS is more than 10 years behind on some cases. And the number that they're giving you, that they're not 180 days late, is on average for all the cases, not the new cases that start after the proposal goes into effect. USCIS calculates the 90-day average time. It looks by looking at all the affirmative asylum cases. As I said, there are some cases that are more than 10 years now in the pipelines. The rule would require USCIS to check these processing times immediately when the final rule becomes effective. DHS says it would announce any pause or restart publicly on the USCIS website and post the information quarterly as well. In simple terms, if USCIS asylum cases are moving slowly, USCIS would stop taking new first-time asylum work permit application. When asylum decisions speed up, they'll resume it, although it has nothing to do with the asylum seeker.